You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, the name of the Japanese currency, of course, if you want to learn more useful Japanese vocabulary, other currency names too. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. The Japanese pronunciation here is yen. Yen is how the Japanese say it. In English, therefore, it's simply pronounced as yen. English pronunciation, how to pronounce yen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.